Hello all, I'm Shanmuga Priya, Assistant Professor, Department of Business Administration, St. Joseph College for Women, Tirupur. Now I explain about what is management. The term management, it stands for the act of planning, organizing, directing and controlling the activities of human beings and physical resources with the intention of accomplishing a predefined objectives. And next one is definition. So management is what a manager does. Next one, nature of management. Now I explain the continuous process to the nature of the management. So management is a never ending process. It continuously follow a series of steps like planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling with the effective of financial and personal organizational resources. Second one, management as a discipline. Management may not fit well in the context of a discipline like other physical science. Next one, management as a care. Management on its own, it is an excellent care option offer to diverse the growth of opportunities. And fourth one, management as a science as well as an art. So management is a good combination as well as a science, as it is an organized body of knowledge and status various fact and truthness. Next one, goal oriented. So every organization has to attain a set of predetermined goals. Next one, guidance. Management provides guidance and explain the ways in human resources and to be utilized the most efficient manner. And next one, management is the human activity. Management can be determined a human activity and the function of management. It can be preferred by the organizational staff members. And next one, management denotes authorities. Authorities accomplish the people work and behave it is the particular manner. For example, managerial process cannot function without authorities. And next one, management is universal. Application of management is universal. For example, it can be applied anywhere and everywhere. Last one, management ensure the coordination. So coordination is the most important of each and every stages to show the organizational goals. Next one is scope of management. Scope of management can be divided three types. First one is activity point of view. So every management peoples and practice can be used in the following functions and activities. First one is planning. So planning is the most important activity to involve the rules, objectives, policies and strategies. Next one, organization. So organization is the process of assigning the designation to distribute the work from each and every duties for the staff members. And next one, directing. Well, directing the managers are responsible for leading the employees to guiding them and providing the information regarding what is the do's and what is do not do for the organization. Controlling. Controlling involves the comparing the result with the set of objectives, detecting the deviation if any means, taking corrective measures to remove them so that what actually result of equivalent to the set of objectives. Second one, functional areas of management. First one is financial management. So financial management, it will involves budgetary control, financial planning and making the cost of control for forecast analysis to management, accounting, etc. Second one, personal management. So personal management to involves recruiting and selecting the employees to training them to provide them the social securities to ensuring the labor welfare to maintaining the industrial relationship, etc. Next one, purchasing management. Purchasing management, it deals with the materials control to involve the purchase of materials, entering into contract, placing the orders, etc. And next one, production management. Production management to involve the time study to quality inspection and control, production planning, motion studies, tools and techniques for the production control, etc. And third one, maintenance management. So the maintenance management it involves taking good care of the organization infrastructures like machineries, plant, building, etc. Next one, logistics management. Logistic management deals with the different components like material handling, warehousing, order placing, transportations, inventory controls. Next one is Marketing management. Marketing management is quite wide in scope of deals with marketing process and marketing mix decisions to in marketing researchers. Office management. It involves activities like staff numbers, staffing, availability, and the maintenance of office equipment to prepare office layout. Next one is develop management. It involves to conducting the researches and experiments. Scope of the management. Management is an interdisciplinary approaches. Second one, universality of management, which means the management principles are usually accept the hence it can be applied to any collective activity for realizing the mutual goals. Agent to change. With the help of the research and development techniques, management concept can be applied in the different fields for the changing traditional method and implementing the modern management practice. Next one, functions of management. They are the five types of functions management. First one is planning, and second one is organization, third one is staffing, fourth one is directing, and fifth one is controlling. Next one, levels of management. So management that can be divided three levels of the management. First one is low level of management, and second one is middle level of the management, and third one is high level of the management. Next one, management as an art. An art is the application of both skill and knowledges. It essential for the achieving a particular objectives. The visual elements are as follows. First one is management is an art. It is the practical knowledge, and second one is personal skill. Third one is result oriented approaches. A management process attempted to achieve in predetermining for all objectives like practice their applications, management personnel evaluated, and skill development courses and to achieve the goals. Next one, creativity. Creativity, integration and orientation of all factors of production aided to the manager to produce the different products and services. So this is the understanding of convening people to work. It is the creative, the high order of the firm. Improvement thought practice. A manager can be developed at the perfection by the regular practicing by the business. It is related to the business process. Next one, management as science. Science, it is a systematically organized body of knowledge on a particular field of study. It comprises the common facts and principles that describe a particular event of happening. Scientific principles are usually applicable. The key factors of scientific principles are: it is consist of universal applicable principles and common facts. It evolves through the several scientific experiment and observations. Some of the management science are as follows. First one is scientific body of knowledge, which means the comprising of common principles and common business strategies. Management is a systematic body of knowledge. Second one, universal principle. The fundamental concept it is related to the particular field are represented by the scientific principles. Third one, scientific inquiry and experiment. Systematic inquiries and scientific experiments from the basis of scientific principles. And fourth one, causes and effect of relationship. Similarly to scientific principle under which all the elements and factors are interrelated, which is the causes of affected from the relationship. And last one, test of validity and predictability. So scientific principles will always give the same outcome when tested number of times. And next one, what is manager and what are the functions of managers. First is, what is manager? A manager responsible for controlling all administrating and organization or a group of staff members. Here I will explain some of the functions of the managers. First one is setting goals of the planning. So the management can function of setting all the goals according to the company's vision and mission is perfect by the managers. Second one, organizing the group. A manager is to analyze his process and decisions to take the step to required for achieving organization goals. Third one, motivating and communicating. A manager is the responsible for encouraging the various terms and work groups that perform the specified managerial functions. Next one, measuring performance. The manager have to ensure that every employees and his subordinates should meet this performance stands. Fifth one, developing people. A manager is preliminary responsible for the growth and development of the subordinate. Sixth one, establishment of effective coordination control. So each and every work that management can establishing the effective coordination and control with the organization for avoiding the any conflict. Next one, roles of managers. So according to the Henry, there are the 10 rules of the common performed by all the managers. First one is interpersonal. It is the link between different managerial works. Second one, informal. This rule ensuring the provision of informations. Third one, decisional. First one is interpersonal rules. So the manager has to play a different roles as per the requirements of the responsible for upcoming. First one is figurehead, second one leadership, and third one is license. Second one, the informational role. So all the collections of dissemination and information is a major part of managerial work performed by a manager. First one is monitor, and second one is disseminator, and third one is spokesperson. Third rule is decisional rules. A manager is the key personnel in the key personnel for the decision making person while performing a decision role for the manager act. First one is entrepreneur, second one is distribution handler, third one is resource allocators, and fourth one is navigator. Next I which is I responsible for the managers. First response is planning for work. Second one, proper and effective communication. Third one, coordination of effects. Fourth one, resolving conflict in the workplace and building the trust among the colleagues. Sixth one, skillful delegation of tasks and responsibilities. And last one, to representing the team interest and objectives. Here the evaluation of management through the manager, the major management of contributed some major classification. First one is classical approach and second one is behavioral approach. Classical approach, which is scientific management, and second one is administrative management, and third one is break occurrence. Second one, behavioral approaches, that one is human relationship approach, and second one is behavioral approaches. Next one is classical organization of the theory school. The classical theory is the basis of an underlying the principle in the field of management thought. So they are the three major school of classical theory for the contribution. First one is scientific management, second one is administration, and third one is bureaucratic management. Thank you all.